This is my unboxing of the WEN 4211 drill press, and just a note, this video is not sponsored by anyone. So first I opened the box and took out the manual, and the manual says, with the help of a friend or trustworthy foe, and I was like, wait, what? That was either a joke, which is a pleasant surprise to find in a manual, or something got lost in translation. But anyway, took out the self-tightening chuck, the table adjustment handle, the feed handles, the table itself, and the base. And the next two things to come out of the box were the column and the motor and housing. And the motor and housing, not gonna lie, they were very heavy. Then the instructions say to remove the anti-rust coating on its exposed non-painted metal surfaces. It says to remove them using a soft cloth moistened with kerosene. I didn't have any kerosene, so I think I just used a dry cloth without anything. Then it says to apply a light coat of good quality paste wax to the table and column to prevent rust, and then wipe all parts thoroughly with a clean dry cloth. Then it was time to attach the column to the base using the hex bolts that came included in the box. Then you attach the table to the column. First, you take the rack off the column, you put it into the table bracket, and then you put the assembly back onto the column, securing it in place with the table collar. The next step was attaching the table adjustment handle, which moves the table up and down. Then you lift the drill on top of the column. It gets fastened in place with a set screw. And then the manual says that you have to clean the chuck, and I don't know who this chuck guy is, but apparently he needs a bath. The chuck goes onto the spindle with a couple hits from a rubber mallet. There's a couple AAA batteries that are included in the box, and you take the cover of the switch off and put the AAA batteries in and seal it back up again. Then it's a matter of testing the laser and making sure that it works. And then the last step is to attach the feed handles, which move the entire drill up and down into the material. Plug it in, make sure that everything is ship shape, and turn it on. And it works like a dream. Woohoo! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you want to be notified when I release future videos, please subscribe. And have an excellent day.